You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's go and learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish. It means a bath, but it also means by extension, the bathroom. Let's say the toilets, the bathroom. Okay, so it's both the bath and the bathroom. Baño, because you have this little tilde wiggly line on the N, it's a ny sound, so it's not bano, baño, like GN, baño, el baño, baño. In English, baño, easy, now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.